Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be discussing the remaining sum of the exercise 6.4, that is from question number 6 to question number 9. So let's start. Hey guys, welcome back. I would like to inform you that we have started online tuition classes and the batches already started. Those who are interested can mail me or DM me in my Instagram. So let's start the today's session. The sixth question says prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. So they gave two similar triangles. So first we'll draw two similar triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. And also they gave medians. So I'll be drawing median AD and PS. So a median divides a line segment into two equal parts. So this will be equal to this, same way this will be equal to this. Now we'll write the given part. They gave two similar triangles. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. To prove the ratio of the areas of similar triangle, that is area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding median. So square of the ratio of the median. Median is AD and PS. So AD by PS. Now proof. First, we'll be taking triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. When these two triangles are similar, can I tell angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. Same way, the corresponding sides are proportional. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. Now, in place of BC and in place of QR, we need to substitute. So we know BC is equal to BD plus CD. BC is equal to, so CD is equal to BD. So in place of CD, I'll be writing BD. So we get BC is equal to 2BD. Same way for the median PS, we'll be getting QR is equal to 2QS. So substituting this information and this information here, so we get AB by PQ is equal to 2BD by 2QS is equal to AC by PR. So 2 gets cancelled. So we get AB by PQ, BD by QS is equal to AC by PR. So let this be 1. Now we'll be taking triangle ABD and triangle PQS. In this triangle, we already got AB by PQ is equal to BD by QS, and also we know angle B is equal to angle Q. So by side angle side, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS. In triangle ABD, so by side angle side, I can tell triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS. Once I proved the similarity, can I tell the corresponding sides are proportional? So AB by PQ is equal to BD by QS is equal to AD by PS. AB by PQ is equal to BD by QS is equal to AD by PS. Now, in the given they gave triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, by the areas of similar triangles, can I tell area of ABC and area of PQR is equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding side. Here I'll be taking side AB and PQ, AB divided by PQ. Let this be 2. Now you can see here we got AB by PQ is equal to AD by PS, that is the median. So in place of AB by PQ, can I substitute AD by PS? So it's equal to AD by PS the whole square from 2. So we got area of ABC divided by area of PQR is equal to AD by PS the whole square. So we proved, hence proved. The 7th question says, prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to half the area of equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonals. So they gave a square. So first let's draw a square. Let this be ABCD, and they gave an equilateral triangle described on one side of the square. So we need to draw an equilateral triangle on one side. So let this be AED, which is on the side AD. Same way, an equilateral triangle described on its diagonal. So let's draw diagonal AC. On that we need to draw an equilateral triangle AFC. So AED is an equilateral triangle. So this and this, all sides will be equal. Same way, AFC is an equilateral triangle. So this side, this and this will be equal. So to prove, first we'll write the area of an equilateral triangle on one side, that is one side of a square, that is triangle AED. So area of triangle AED so is equal to half. So half the area of equilateral triangle described on the diagonals. So it is AFC. AFC. Proof. Now they gave a square. So we shall take the side of a square BA. So let the side of square be A. If this is A, then this will also be A. And we know the formula of a diagonal of a square is equal to root 2 into side. So here our side is A, so root 2A. This is root 2A, so this will also be root 2A. This will also be root 2A. Now, our to prove is given as area of triangle AED and area of triangle AFC. So first we need to prove the similarity of AED and AFC. In triangle AED and triangle AFC, can I tell all their corresponding angles are equal? Why? Because they are equilateral triangle. So all the corresponding angles in equilateral triangle is equal to 60 degree. So by angle similarity, I can tell triangle AED is similar to triangle AFC. Now this triangle is similar to this triangle. So by the theorem of areas of similar triangles, we can write area of AED divided by area of AFC is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So we can take any one corresponding side. So we shall take AE by AF. So our side AE is A and AF is root 2A. So A gets cancelled. So we get 1 by root 2 the whole square, which is equal to 1 by 2. So we got area of AED divided by area of AFC is equal to half. Now this AFC in division will go as multiplication. So area of AED is equal to half of area of AFD. So we proved area of AED is equal to half of area of AFC. Sorry, it is AFC. So we proved, hence proved. Eighth question says, ABC and BDE are two equilateral triangles such that D is a midpoint of BC. Ratio of the areas of triangles ABC and triangle BDE is 2:1, 1:2, 4:1 or 1:4. So this is a multiple choice question. So first we should draw the diagram. So they gave two equilateral triangle. So one is ABC and BDE. So first we'll draw ABC. This be A, B, C, and one more equilateral triangle BDE such that D is the midpoint of BC. So first we'll draw the D as a midpoint, then BDE. So it will be like this. So BDE. They all are equilateral triangles. So this will be equal to 60 degree. Same with this. All will be equal to 60 degree. So we need to find the ratio of the triangle ABC and triangle BDE. So to find this, ratio means division, area of ABC divided by area of BDE. To find the ratio of the areas of triangle, first we need to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDE. In triangle ABC and triangle BDE, we can tell all corresponding angles in equilateral triangle is equal to 60 degree. So by angle similarity, we can tell triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDE. Now we proved the similarity. So by the theorem of the areas of similar triangles, that is area of ABC divided by area of BDE is equal to square of their ratio of their corresponding sides. Here in the question they gave D is the midpoint. So this will be equal to this. So we'll be taking side BC and BD. So we'll be taking BC by BD. So BC by BD the whole square. BC is nothing but 2BD because they are both are equal. So 2BD by BD the whole square. So BD gets cancelled. So 2 by 1 the whole square, which is equal to 4 by 1. So the ratio is 4:1. So we got 4:1. So option is C. The ninth question says sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio of this. So the area of this triangle is in the ratio of, so they gave the ratio of their corresponding sides. So area will be nothing but square of the ratio of corresponding sides. So the corresponding sides are in the ratio of 4 by 9, which is equal to 16 by 81, so it is option D. So this exercise completes here. I hope you understood the today's video. In the next video, I'll be taking Pythagoras theorem and also converse of Pythagoras theorem. Do press the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get the notification of my video, and also share this with your friends and spread the knowledge. Thank you. Jai Hind.